a quick video about the futures page in LBank, so you get guys very like familiarized with it for the especially the new users, for you to use it on a daily basis, how to trade, how to do everything. So before we start, always do your own research. This is not financial advice. I will try not to talk about finances here, but you know, I maybe something there's you will see something. I don't know. Whatever. Let's see. So, right, you go to lbank.com, right? Make sure to use the code Daniel so you get massive benefits. Okay. So once you register, the page should look like this with the Argentinian ad right here, and you go and deposit your crypto. Okay, you can do it with one click buy. Super easy. You just put the amount you want. Let's say 46 million. Then no, 46 million you can't. But I don't know. You wanna deposit 100 with the deposit bonus, you will receive a 20% bonus, and if you trade, you can get up to 1000. Okay, so after that, you go to your wallet, and your money is going to sit in spot, right? Make sure if you want to trade spot, then keep your money here in spot. But if you want to transfer it to futures, just hit transfer, you hit all, and you press confirm. And then in futures, you have your balance, right? So as you see, I have my trades right here. This is fees, and this is just changing constantly because I'm trading right now. So after this, you basically you can go into, this is markets. Okay, so you can go to markets, and then you just select the crypto you want. Let's say I want to trade Dogecoin. You can go to Doge, and you do it. Or you want to trade some meme coins like Trump coin. Okay, or maybe sorry, you want to trade nobody sausage. By the way, guys, they have right now a marketing campaign. So if you trade a nobody sausage, I believe there are some benefits or something, but they are very active right now with it. Okay, so after this, I mean, it's just a meme coin. Okay, so of course, this is not financial advice, but this is a meme coin that got super popular, super popular. Right now, I can sense something is going to rise, but not that high here. But yeah, this is pretty much that. So into the interesting parts, you have like some new coins that they are releasing every time. So I don't know. Let's see what's this. Holy fuck! This is vertical, man. Holy fuck! And how much was this? 700%, not bad. You could. Okay, so this is spot. Okay, you have the new pairs right here. You have the biggest gainers. Also, you have the hot ones, which are of course the ones with the most volume. And right now, if you hover your cursor to the futures, you of course enter the futures. This is pretty easy to understand. You have a chart, you have nothing, just a chart, and you'll have your pairs right here. So you want to trade Bitcoin, I'll trade Bitcoin, right? And you have all this, and you'll say, I don't understand. Maybe you don't need the order book, so maybe you can hide this somehow. Wait. Okay, never mind. I don't wanna. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I cannot hide this. Yeah. Okay, this that order book, that thing called order book. You don't need to look at it. Okay, it's just noise. Unless you really wanna study it, it will help you. But so you have two things here. You have open and long, right? You put your money you want, let's say you want to put 100 USDT, boom, and that's it. Okay, and I have available 6,000, so in theory I can do better with 6,000. Okay, limit is basically you place a trade and you select the price that it will go to. So and it opens the trade when it gets to that price. So if I open a loan at 73558 and press limit with that price, it will trigger along there. So then you have also the market, which is just market execution. You have trigger prices. Once it goes to X, then it goes to X a limit, and both. To be honest, I don't know what's this, but search it on the internet and close. This is pretty obvious. Okay, so this is important. Cross. This is just in Accelerated they protect you at 50%, I think. Okay, and at cross, you can have a big loss because it will count from your own money. Okay, so it will take percentages from your money, and isolated will take just money from the position. So you get, I think, liquidated at 50%, and on cross you get liquidated until you have $0. Then you have also the leverage. You can adjust it. Always be very, 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 very careful with this. Then you have some coupons here with your open long, open short. So yeah, that will be everything. So once you have your position open, I have a loss here right now. Well, it's running. I bet it's going to go even more down. I have a stop loss right there. But yeah, once you open a position, you can adjust your stop loss on TP right there, and it's super easy. Then you just can reverse it right here. You can market close, you can close at a price, so you can share your profits. So it's super good. With that, let's review the news for tomorrow. Um, we'll continue. So yeah, tomorrow we don't have any news for the USD. So this week we don't have anything important, okay? So with this, we're finished. If you guys have any questions about LBank and anything just related about trading, I can help you. So once again, thank you guys very much. I'll see you next time.